Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Dynamics 365 for marketing source lead handoff. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Dynamics 365 for marketing source lead handoff, start by logging into your Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the settings area on the main dashboard. Select the security option from the settings menu. Click on users to view the list of all users in your organization. Find the user who needs to be authorized for lead handoff. Click on their name to open their user profile. In the user profile, look for the roles section. Click on Manage Roles to modify the user's permissions. In the Roles Management window, identify the required role for lead handoff, such as salesperson or marketing manager. Select the appropriate role and click Add. Next, click Save to save the changes to the user's profile. After that, go back to the settings area. Select Workflows from the settings menu. Create a new workflow that will facilitate the lead handoff process. In the Workflow Designer, start by naming the workflow appropriately. Set the trigger condition for when a lead is created from marketing. Add actions that assign the lead to the designated salesperson. Include any necessary notifications for both the marketing team and the salesperson. Review the workflow for accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, activate the workflow by clicking the Activate button. After activating the workflow, conduct a test to ensure that leads are successfully handed off. Monitor the lead handoff process for any discrepancies or issues. Finally, adjust the workflow or user permissions as needed based on feedback and observations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.